Build anything with Gemini. 3.7 Flash, here's exactly how to do it. Google dropped Gemini 3.7 Flash 2 days ago, August 13th. And I want to show you what this actually means in the real world, because most people are going to miss what matters here. Everyone's talking about it being smarter. Sure it is, but that's not the interesting part. 3 weeks ago, Google dropped Gemini 3.6 Flash. 3 weeks. And now 3.7 is already out. That pace alone tells you something. And Gemini 3.7 Flash just beat Anthropic and OpenAI across 9 separate benchmarks. 9. One benchmark, Deep SWE version 1.1, jumped from 49% to 65.3% in 3 weeks. Frontier Code 1.1 main went from 34.4% to 43.6%. Web Dev Arena, which tests how well AI actually builds web apps, went from 1538 to 1588 ELO score. But here's what those numbers mean in plain English. It builds real things better, way better, and way faster. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. The real story isn't that Gemini got smarter at answering questions. The real story is that you can now give it a job, a real job, not a prompt, a job. It adapts when it hits a problem. It figures things out on its own. Google said it directly. It better adapts to roadblocks, clarifies intent when needed, and follows instructions with greater fidelity. That means less babysitting, less fixing, more done. So let me walk you through how to actually use this. The main tools: Google AI Studio, Google Anti-Gravity, and Gemini Spark. AI Studio is where you build and test. Beginner-friendly, no code needed. Anti-Gravity is where you run more complex workflows and agent tasks. Spark is the personal agent version that now runs on 3.7 Flash inside the Gemini app, connected to your Gmail, calendar, and docs, available for AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. Now let me show you real workflows, every single one tied to something practical, growing a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. First workflow, this one's for finding the best content topics to post every week so your community keeps growing. You feed Gemini the last 30 days of posts from the AI Profit Boardroom, the engagement numbers on each one, and recent questions members have been asking. Then you say, you are a community content strategist. Analyze which topics got the highest engagement and why. Identify the 3 biggest knowledge gaps based on member questions. Then build a 30-day content calendar with topic ideas, post angles, and a one-line description of each post, prioritizing what this audience actually wants to learn. You get a full 30-day content calendar built around what your specific members actually care about, ready to go, no guessing. Second workflow, this one handles lead qualification, so you're not manually sorting through every inquiry. You paste in a batch of new inquiries from people interested in joining the AI Profit Boardroom, their name, what they said, their business type. Then you tell Gemini, you are a community growth specialist. For each inquiry, analyze their business type, identify their most likely pain point around AI automation, score their intent from 1 to 10, and write a short personalized response inviting them to join, referencing their specific situation. Every inquiry comes back with a score, a pain point, and a personalized message, structured, ready to send or drop into your CRM. That result ties directly to the automation bench numbers. 3.7 Flash went from 17% to 30.4% on that benchmark, nearly double. Multi-step business workflows are where this model really shines. Third workflow, turning one coaching call into a week of content across every platform. You drop a transcript from an AI Profit Boardroom coaching call into Gemini. Then you are a content repurposing specialist. Extract the 8 most valuable insights from this transcript. For each insight, write 1 LinkedIn post, 1 X post, and 1 short paragraph for the weekly newsletter. Match the tone to business owners who are learning AI automation for the first time. Keep everything practical and specific. 1 coaching call becomes 24 pieces of content. LinkedIn, X newsletter, ready to publish. 1 session, done. Because Gemini 3.7 Flash handles up to 1 million tokens in a single context window, you can feed it a huge amount of information at once. Past posts, member feedback, coaching call transcripts, analytics. It processes everything together and gives you something genuinely useful, not generic advice, but something built from your actual data. And the output can go up to 64,000 tokens. So when you ask for a full content plan, a detailed onboarding sequence, or a complete campaign, you're not getting a truncated version. You're getting the whole thing. Now, structured outputs. This is the part most people skip. And it's actually what makes automation work. Instead of Gemini giving you a big block of text, you have to manually read and copy. You tell it to respond in a specific format: member name, intent score, pain point, recommended action, personalized message, each piece in its own field. And because it's structured, it feeds directly into your spreadsheet, your CRM, your email tool automatically. No extracting by hand. Text is an answer. Structured output is usable data. Usable data is what powers automation. If you want to actually build these workflows for your business, the prompts, the setups, the step-by-step processes, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Right now, we've got the full Gemini 3.7 Flash playbook in there: how to set up your lead qualification workflow, how to build your content repurposing system, how to use Gemini Spark with your Google Workspace so it's doing work in the background while you focus on growing. We run 4 live coaching calls every week where you can bring your exact Gemini setup and get feedback live. Daily tutorials showing you how to implement each of these workflows step by step. A prompt library with templates you can drop straight into AI Studio today. And 3,700 business owners inside the community, a lot of them already running Gemini automation for lead gen, content, and client work. Link in the description. Go to aiprofitboardroom.com. A few honest things before you go. Use this. The knowledge cutoff is March 2026. So for anything current, news, recent tool releases, live data, turn on search grounding inside AI Studio. It takes one click. Without it, the model won't know what happened last week. Start every automation with a human approval step in the loop. AI proposes, you approve, AI executes. Once you trust the output quality, you let more run automatically. Don't skip this step early on, especially for anything that touches outreach or member communications. Also, Gemini Omni Flash is the separate model for video generation. Gemini 3.7 Flash handles text, images, audio, and documents. Don't mix them up. And the leadership situation at Google is worth knowing about. Demis Hassabis stepped aside. Koray Kavuk-Tuoglu is now leading DeepMind. 2 original Gemini co-leads left to start their own company. Google is moving fast and reorganizing at the same time. Whether they catch Anthropic and OpenAI at the frontier is still an open question. But at the workhorse level, fast, capable, deeply connected to Google's ecosystem, Gemini 3.7 Flash is strong and it's worth building with right now. The real question is simple. Are you building with it, or are you watching other people build? Everything I just walked you through, the lead qualification workflow, the content repurposing system, the member onboarding sequence, the weekly AI briefing, the coaching call planner, all of it is inside the AI Profit Boardroom with full step-by-step tutorials, the exact prompts, and the workflows already built out for you. We've got a complete Gemini 3.7 Flash roadmap showing you how to set up each automation, connect it to your Google Workspace, and get it running in your business. 4 live coaching calls every week where you can bring your exact setup and get help live. Daily tutorials showing you exactly what to do. A prompt library packed with templates ready to drop into AI Studio today. And 3,700 members inside, many of them already running Gemini workflows to get more leads, grow their audience, and save hours every week. Member map so you can connect locally too. Link in the description. Go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full notes from today, all the prompts, workflow templates, and access to 87,000 members already using tools like Gemini 3.7 Flash every single day, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Everything from this episode is in there, plus over 100 AI use cases you can start applying to your business immediately. Link is in the comments and the description.